Joanna.
Hello my beauty lovers, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another makeup video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. Hey guys, how's everybody out there doing? I'm doing well. Today we're gonna do a challenge, the Bratz doll challenge. Yes y'all. I'm gonna be doing this. She reminds me of what is it? Poison Ivy. I don't know the name of this brat though. I just seen a picture of her and I'm like, I want to do her. She got this green dress on with this like green choker. Her hair is like this color, like a orangey, brownish color, and her eyes are big and bold and green. She got this big bold liner and she has some big bold lashes with this beautiful big pink bright lipstick. So yeah, I'm picking her today. If I can remember, I'm gonna insert a picture of her right here so you guys can see which one I'm talking about. She really caught my eyes. I loved her makeup look, so I'm gonna see if I could create her. Yeah, and the palette that I'm gonna be using today, it's from the Masterpiece 7-layer all-in-one makeup set, and it's from this big box right here. You get about, I think about four or five. You get four eyeshadow palettes, like different ones, like right here. I think it's four. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4 eyeshadow palette. You get 1 bronzer palette. You also get a concealer palette, and you also get a lipstick palette, which is not bad. This is a steal. I've been had this for about 4 years now. My daughter gave me this for Christmas, which I completely adore. So yeah, I'm gonna create this Bratz doll using this palette. So if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful Bratz doll at the end, please keep on watching. Well guys, this complete this look, this Bratz challenge look. I hope you guys liked it. I think I'm gonna start doing more of this Bratz challenge look. Probably tomorrow I'll put out another video with a different Bratz doll. Hope you guys like it, and yeah, comment down below what's your favorite Bratz doll. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here on this channel, because we lit. Yes, girl. Hope you like this video. I love you guys. Bye bye.